Namaste students, I am JVN Dr. Aziz Mohammed Khan from Department of Food and Biotechnology, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to discuss about the topic drying and different types of dryers. So what is the drying? In the downstream processing, uh, there is a requirement of some products need to be dried. Okay, and in pharmaceutical industry, especially in the pharmaceutical industry, these products need to be dried so that the life can be longer. Okay, the life can be longer, and the processing cost and transport cost can be reduced. We know that if, uh, the water needs more space. Okay, and if we process it, then uh, the transport will be needed in shorter. And if we talk about quantity, the quantity of the product will be transported more when the product is dried. And when it is not dried, and we need more transport to supply it. And the another advantage is the product will be easily available to all the mankind, and cost will be reduced, and similarly it will be longer for their expiry. So drying is the commonly the last stage in the manufacturing stage, last stage, and drying is the final removal of the water from material by by heating. It is a heating method by which we remove the wet moisture from the product. It is sometimes non-thermal drying can be possible, uh, by which squeezing wetted sponge are used, and we can also apply the adsorption by the second, and also extraction can be used for the non-thermal drying. Discuss about the purpose of the drying. What are the purpose? The first purpose is that it is used to avoid or eliminate moisture which may lead to the corrosion and decrease the product or drug stability. Okay, so if we can eliminate the moisture, and we can eliminate the corrosion, we can decrease the product, we can decrease the chance of corrosion, and we can also uh, make the product more stable. Next is that we can it is used to keep the good properties of a material. Means, for example, if we talk about the compressibility, then we can keep the this property of product after drying. Next property, uh, third number purpose is that we can reduce the cost of the transportation of large volume materials, because transportation charge will be reduced. Next purpose is it is used to make the materials easy or more suitable for handling. And the next purpose, fifth number purpose is drying is used so that the product can be preserved. It is used as a preservative method. And the final step is the evaporation, in which filtration and crystallization are used so that the products can be safe and stable, and its expiry date will be increased. So these are the purpose by which we can we can use the drying. Now talk about the dryers, different dryers in the uh, drying methods. So if we talk about the dryers which include the tray dryers, drum dryers, spray dryer, fluidized bed dryer, vacuum dryer, and the trees. Discuss everything one by one. The first one is the tray dryer. It's also used as truck dryer, dryer, cabinet dryer, compartment dryer. So these are the sub names. examiner can ask you that what are the different names of the tray tire. So then you can answer it: tray tire, truck tire, self tire, cabinet tire, and compartment tire. So these are the names. What are the principles? The principle is based on the road air circulation. Road air circulation. How it is constructed. Small or large cabinet insulated compartment in which trays are maneuvered, and heater is used for the heating in this method, and a fan is also there so that it can circulate the dryer. If the dryer there is a heater, okay, it will increase the temperature, and the fan will supply the heated air around, so that everywhere the even number of heat can be released, and it has also some system of inlet and outlet. So what it has small insulated chambers with trays, and it has heater, it has fan, and it has inlet and outlet system. We talk about the working of this tray. The material is loaded in trays and fresh air is introduced. That is the first step. We introduce everything which we want to try, and after introduction into that, we inoculate everything in the tray, and after that we insert fresh air. Fresh air is inserted by the inlet, and then the material will get heated. We switch on, and after that the heating is there. This heat is circulated by fan, and everywhere the fan air will be circulated, and the tray containing the load remain in the dry until dry is complete. And after that, when the dry has been complete, after this they are drawn, they are emptied, and they are recharged again, so that new product can be uh, tried in the new edge. So this is the working of trade dryer. What are the application of the trade dryer? It is used for drying of sticky material and granular mass, and it is used for drying of food, drugs, chemicals, powders, tablets, and granules. Advantage: it is easy to operate, and the batch process of different product. It has a batch process for different products, and it can be useful for drying of variety of materials, not a single type of material. It can be used for the variety of products. And what are the disadvantages? It requires labor, okay, and the cost is increasing, and it is time consuming process. So these are the disadvantages. Next, the drum dryer. So the question which can arise from here, that what are the name, what are the sub-names of drum dryer? So we can answer it: roll dryer, film dryer, film drum dryer. So these are two different another name of drum dryer. What is the principle? The principle is the material is first drum and they are dried. What is the main instrumental composition in this drum dryer? It has hollow steel drum. It has seed pan. It has a spreader. It has a doctor's knife, and it has a storage bin. How it is performed? So we will talk about the working of the drum dryer. Steam in the drum uh, is rotated. Okay, steam is rotated through feed pan, and then material will adhere to pan thick and will form a thin layer. And after that, the material will dry, and it will dry during rotation of the drum. The drum will rotate, and the material will form thin layer, and after that it will dry. And the knife, using the help of the knife, the material is then scraped, and it will be collected in the storage. So this is the working of this drum dryer. If we talk about the application, the drum dryer is used for the drying of solution, slurries, suspension, milk products, 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 antibiotics, and some other another substances. So these are the applications. Now talk about the advantage of a drum dryer. Drum dryer is used and suitable for heat sensitive material, and it has a compact size. It has complete drying, and it has special features which make it usable for only for suitable products. And if we talk about the disadvantage, uh, the drum dryer is instrument which require high maintenance, and it need skilled operated skilled operator are required. Not anybody can be used. Not anybody can uh, perform all these functions, and it is not suitable for less soluble solution. So these are the disadvantages. So if we talk about the advantage and disadvantage, so we can consider about which instrument we need and what kind of dryer we can use. Next is the spray dryer. The principle of spray dryer is to know that material is made to fine droplets and moving stream of the whole gas. What are the major parts of this instrument? And it has large cylindrical drying chamber. It has inlet of air and outlet of air, and atomizer, and it is connected to cyclone separator. What talk about the working of this instrument? First, atomization of the liquid. The liquid is filled into the chamber through atomizer. Means, there is chamber in which the liquid is first through atomizer, so the liquid will flow in this way. Okay, then after that, these atomizer will separate the liquid. Then this liquid will flow down, and the liquid droplets which will fall, they will be dried by dry. They will be dried by the dry because they are in water droplets. They are not pure liquid. They are falling in a droplet. When they will fall in a droplet, the dryer will come in contact with these droplet, and dried air, the heated air will come in contact with these droplets, and it will dry the droplets into powder. After that, when they have been converted into the powder, the product will be recovered so that the new batch can be very uh, powder. So, what are the applications in which industries it is applicable? It is used for drying of large quantity of materials. It is used for the drying of thermolabile hygroscopic material, and it is used for the drying of medicine like kilogram fabric. Similarly, it is used for the drying of milk, because milk powder is prepared from this spray drying method. If we talk about the advantage and disadvantage, uh, it is very rapid and continuous process. It is has low labor cost, and it gives product of uniform spray, uniform form, and fine droplets. So it is very productive, and the product are of good quality, and it is suitable for the sterile products. We do not need to sterile more, and it will be very good in condition. What are the disadvantages? Uh, the disadvantage is that it is very bulky and it is very expensive, and huge equipments are required, and they have low thermal efficacy. So these are the disadvantages of this method. So in this lecture, I discussed about some uh, dryers, in which I discussed about some dryers, which includes the trade dryers. First, I discussed about the drying, what is the need of the drying, and what are the types of the dryers. The first was trade dryers. The second one was uh, drum dryers, and the final, which I discussed, is spray drying. I hope the students will better understood all these things. The question which can arise from this: explain the drying and explain different types of dryers in the drying method. So I hope the students will be able to answer all these questions.